Welcome to the channel. Today, we'll be fixing a loose stick on an Xbox Series controller. Now, this is not stick drift. It usually happens when the controller is accidentally dropped. As you can see, the thumbstick cap is rotating inside. It looks like the whole stick is broken, but really, it's just a loose cap. And I'll show you how to fix it. Let's start with the disassembly. First, use a little heat to remove the sticker instead of tearing it off. That way, your controller won't look like it's been opened by a noob. Next, remove the screws with a T8 security screwdriver. Once that's done, take off the back shell, undo the antenna cables, and then desolder the vibration motor cables. After that, there are two more screws holding the board. Remove those and you'll see the cap is just loose. Carefully slide it back into place when reinstalling the board. This saves you from having to take apart the other board. Before putting everything back together, I'm testing mine on the computer. That way, if there's a mistake, I can fix it now instead of disassembling it all over again. Once it's working fine, we can start the reassembly process. And there we go. The controller is fixed, and the stick is no longer loose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.